In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest, easiest, cheapest, most secure way to transfer your crypto from one blockchain to another blockchain. And if you see this quick image, you'll see that there are a ton of chains out there, right? You got Chronos, you got Phantom, you got Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, you got Telos down there, you got Terra, but no one want to play with Terra right now. Terra kind of hurting right now, and I'm not trying to bleed any more than I gotta bleed out here right now. But you got Ethereum and all that, and Moonriver and Moonbeam, they got small ones and big ones, right? Now, picture every chain as like its own city, right? You got Paris, Tokyo, New York, LA, Miami. Each one of these chains pretend it's like its own city. And so, say you live in one city, like I live on the Binance Smart Chain a lot, or let's call that Miami, right? And each one of these cities has its own way to govern its dApps, its people. It's got its own businesses on there, like their dApps. It's got its own like taxes, like gas fees and stuff like that. So it's got its own culture, own way of doing things. But say you want to go from Miami to New York. How do you do that, right? You can't, and especially in crypto. Well, you need to route them. You need to bridge. You need to fly them over there. And this is, to me, what I found the easiest, simplest, cheapest way to do that, and it is called multi-chain. Now, before we get too far into this video, I am being compensated for this video, but I've been using this. I've used this in other videos as AnySwap, and so this is this is something that I'm happy to do, right? I'm happy to shoot this video for something that I've always used for the last year, and hopefully, if you want to play on different chains, you can use it as well. And it's super simple. And if you want to play on Cowboys always ride on multiple chains, right? This is not just two chains no more. Like we're 20 chains out here. So we play on all coins. We play on every single chain. We like to know everything that's happening in the world of crypto. And it's super easy. All you have to do is here, enter the app. It's just, it's just multichain.org. And then you enter the application here. And you could see that it takes you straight to here. So you pick, here's the amount balance that you could just fill in right here. Okay, and then the coin that you're switching over, and then the chain that the origin chain is what they call it, and then here's the destination chain you pick, and again the type of coin right here. So like for purposes, I'm gonna switch over my Binance Smart Chain. Let's switch over I don't know. I don't have any USDC. I'm out here clicking like crazy here. Let's see what I got. I'll say switch over BUSD. Okay. And then I'll switch BUSD over to, let's say, Telos. I like Telos, right? And so I could switch over my BUSD to Telos, let's say, or I don't know. Like, look at all these chains that I got to pick from. I'm not playing on Moonbeam or Moonriver right now. Chronos, yeah, let's do Telos. It's a small chain, and this is like a big reason why you'd want to use this kind of stuff. So let's just use like $5. Oh, it's got to be $10. Okay, $10 right here. And BUSD, switching approved. So one thing you got to know here is that the cross-chain fee is 0.1%. Minimum cross-chain fee is 5 BUSD on Telos, and this will change too. So like if I go to Ethereum, and you'll see here the minimum fee is 40 BUSD, and then let's say like Syscoin mainnet, which is another thing that we've seen. This is 5 BUSD. So these will change. So you just got to be careful on the fees. If you're switching, I guess on Polygon right here, there's 0 fees, which is great, right? 0 gas fees, 0 fees across. So you want to watch these things. One thing that is important to note: estimated time of cross-chain arrival is 10 to 30 minutes. So if you haven't seen it within about 30 minutes, don't freak out. Okay, okay, do not freak out. And it's like so blazingly easy. All you have to do is just hit swap, and then I'll just confirm this just for the purposes of. And then my MetaMask, you can't see it right now. My MetaMask will pop up, and I'll just go ahead and hit confirm here. And it's that easy. So I'm going to send over 10 BUSD, and it could take 10 minutes to 30 minutes. So I'm not going to. Success. That was fast. So wow, that was. Oh, okay. Arrival. So they approved my side, and they're going to give it a arrival. So why would you use multi-chain? Well, there are 3 reasons here. Non-custodial MPC, meaning very secure. Okay, so they use a network of nodes, and the MPC, they stand for multi-party computation. Okay, and so multi-party is like the different nodes that are all kind of talking to each other. You send it into this like particular wallet. It's like a secure wallet, and they check that wallet and they send it over to you on the other chain in your wallet. No slippage swap Multichain's one-for-one swap enables users to perform zero slippage transfers, and slippage is one of those ways where like people can front run you and all that kind of stuff. So you don't even have to worry about that here. Multi-chain router just basically means the fees are reduced here. I mean, you saw that on Polygon it's 0, and on the other fees it's like 0.1%. So very, very cheap fees over there, which is great. There's a number of tokens supported, over 2,100 tokens, which is fantastic. And if you go in here, you could see there's a few different like tools that you could use. There's a pool to see the kind of liquidity that is in that you're switching with. And then there's the Explorer feature, which I thought was very helpful. And it shows you exactly like what's been transferred and what's not transferred and all that kind of stuff. So which is great. Let me see if I could like refresh this or something like that. No. There it is. Yeah, so you could see that $40 or 40, I guess pay. I don't know what that is. Let's say WBTC, right? 0.02 was transferred from BNB, and yeah, it's a great little thing to track everything. And so we could go into a little bit about what this is. I thought this is like the white paper. I thought this was very interesting here. Each bridge, I'm just going to read this paragraph. You can read the whole thing, but this breaks it down very simply. Each bridge is a link between two blockchains. On the asset origin chain, so the chain that I start off with, the asset to be bridged is sent to a special secure multi-party computation wallet. Okay, so that's the SMPC wallet address, and held securely there. This is a decentralized management account. Okay, on the destination chain, which is the one where you're going to, a smart contract mints tokens one for one with those held in the decentralized managed account, which is the one that's being held in, and sends them to the user's wallet. The opposite also happens when tokens are sent to the smart contract, they are burned, and then the SMPC nodes release them on the origin chain. Okay, so that's just how it works. You can read into all this. This is a very, very big brain stuff. So I just wanted to break it down simple for our lizard brain friends out there. As far as the community, to be honest, like I'm you could be involved in the community, but I just love that this is such a good feature to serve, and so people just kind of crowd around this. So there's 23,000 people on the Telegram, 90,000 people on the Twitter. Previously, AnySwap, this is very popular. I mean, it's just super popular, very trusted. And then here's their Medium articles and stuff like that. So yeah, let me know what you think about multi-chain and the cross-chain protocol. I think it's very simple, very easy to use. Not really a lot of thinking to use it. They made it super simple for us lizard brains. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to DCA in when you can. I'm going to be follow me on Twitter, follow me on all that kind of stuff, TikTok, Twitter, the YouTube shorts. I appreciate everyone who's following me. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you found this information helpful, hit a like. Oh, and join the saloon. Goodness, God, I'm all over the place. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.